Hello and welcome to today's walk. Today we are here at Disneyland and we just got in just before rope drop. So our quest is for that chimichanga, breakfast chimichanga that we've been trying to get. And on the 31st is actually the closing of Splash Mountain. So this will be the day that I do my last ride ever on Splash Mountain. So join us on today's walk as we go for a quest for the chimichanga and Splash Mountain. Let's go. All right, so here we are in Frontierland in front of Thunder Mountain, and already there's a line for that famous chimichanga. So we're gonna jump in line and see if we can get them. All right, mission accomplished. So here we have the breakfast chimichanga, and let's give it a try. I'll show you what it looks like and I'll let you know what I think. All right, so I'm gonna give this chimichanga a taste. I'm gonna taste it with the salsa that looks and smells very, very good. And I'll let you know what I think. All right, this chimichanga by itself, excellent. But with this salsa right here, unbelievable. It sends it to another level. By itself, it's very, very good. So is it worth it getting up early? Yes, it is. It's today's walk. High five. The chimichanga, breakfast chimichanga. All right, now that we've had our chimichangas for breakfast, it's time for Big Thunder Mountain, the wildest ride in the wilderness. So let's head on in. All right, so the classic Big Thunder Mountain ride. Now we're gonna go take a look over to this area, see how crowded it is, and we're gonna try and do Splash Mountain, but I don't know if I want to do it this early. So let's head on over that way. All right, Pirates. Let's do Pirates. 5-minute wait here. Let's jump on in.
Davy Jones waiting for them. What don't obey? Faster. It may too late to alter course.
Run out your white flag, you scurvy scum. That's right.
Out of here. Easy.
Skull Day and the singers. Bring up me heart is yo ho, yo ho,
All right, we have left Pirates, and that was just a walk on. But here's the continued construction for Tiana, and like I said earlier, on the 31st, Splash Mountain closes forever with the new Tiana ride coming. And here's the concept art for Tiana's Palace. So this construction's happening, and soon the Splash Mountain will be turning into Tiana's also. But let's head on over, see how long the wait is over there. All right, we're gonna walk on to Splash Mountain. This will be my last ride ever on Splash Mountain. That was my last ride ever on Splash Mountain. Little sad, not too sad because I'm excited about the Tiana ride. But it is a ride that I don't ride off because I hate getting wet. But today, had to do it. It's the last time I'm going to be here for this month. So yeah, I'm ready for Tiana though. So hopefully, I think that opens in 24. So I'm excited for that. And goodbye, Splash. So the first one I'm gonna try is the spicy beef skewer. Hot and spicy beef skewer. And this is from the Bengal barbecue. And let me give it a try, I'll let you know what I think. Alright, so here at the Bengal barbecue, we have the Polynesian chicken skewer. Let me try it and I'll let you know what I think. Alright, so I'm gonna give you the two reviews, one for the chicken, the Polynesian chicken skewers. I'm gonna have to give that a 2 today because the chicken was very dry, and I don't know, did we get a bad batch this time? But it was just dry, where the flavorful, it was a sweet Polynesian sauce that it took away from that because it was so dry. So just a 2 on the chicken. As far as the beef, the hot spicy beef skewer, I give it a 4. And the reason I give it a 4 is the beef was awesome. The spicy sauce, it tasted more like a gravy with pepper. It was just like a thick gravy with pepper and a lot of pepper. So it had a little bit of a kick. So just the 4 on that one. But those are my reviews on the Bengal barbecue skewers. All right, that concludes our day here at Disneyland. We accomplished 2 things that we wanted to today. One, finally, my quest for the breakfast chimichanga is complete. So finally got to do that. I'm glad I did, because that chimichanga is a today's walk high five. And then remember, next week is basically the last week for Splash Mountain. The 31st, it's closed, and that's it. No more. So got to ride it for my last time here at Disneyland, and I'm ready for that Tiana ride to get started also. So definitely happy for that. Sad for the, oh, there's Cruella, but sad to see Splash Mountain go. But that concludes our day here at Disneyland. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video.
Hello, darling.
Hello, darling. And then I'm all mixed up. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time on today's walk. Bye.